I moved from Ghana to Nigeria to visit one of the biggest electronic markets in Nigeria. It has been a fun trip since I embarked on this journey, and I have no regret coming to Nigeria. You're welcome to Alaba International. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the mobile repair tools which I bought for $19, and it's so unbelievable that I could get all these things for just $19. And we're also going to be unboxing them and reviewing them. So as you can see, this is Alaba International. This is how the market is, one of the most busiest markets in Lagos, Nigeria. And another thing I'll be doing on this video is I'll be comparing the price of these items which I bought at the Alaba International market and in Ghana, because I'm fully aware of the prices that these things are being sold in Ghana. So I'll be comparing the prices with how much these things cost in Ghana, comparing it to Nigeria, and how much is the total package in dollars. So by the end of this video, we're going to know if it's actually worth buying the things from this Alaba International market, which is actually one of the biggest markets. In this market, you can get to buy any kind of things, ranging from phone parts, electronics, speaker, radio, and they even fix television. And anywhere things are being sold, there's also a whole lot of things going on over there. So one just need to be very careful while you are in this market. So this is me going into the market to buy these things, and I really had fun going to this place because this market is a very busy place when you're coming here. So you have to be very careful, and as much as there's a whole lot of good people over here, there's also those that are ready to steal things from you. So these are some of the things I bought this particular one, and I'm also going to be explaining everything in which you are seeing on these videos. They may look small, but all these things, all these tools and all these things are very needed for phone repairs. So it's time for me to review everything which I bought. These are the things. First, we have this digital meter which is used for reading any kind of electronics. So I bought this meter for 2,500 naira. If like I was buying this particular device in Ghana, I'll be buying it for like close to 100 cedis, which is almost 10,000 naira when compared. But even with the high exchange rates in Nigeria, still I was able to get this device for 2,500 naira. We also have this glue. It's used for gluing mobile screens, and you can use it in so many ways. I bought this glue for 750 naira, but if you were buying this glue in Ghana, you'll be getting it like 10 cedis. That's like almost like 1,000 naira. So I'm able to save 250 naira buying this glue. So I was able to get 2 pieces of this glue. We have these mobile phone screwdrivers. One thing I like about this mobile phone screwdriver is that it has so many type of phones in which you can just fix with all these screws. And the next one is this tweezer, which is used for picking things up while you are fixing a mobile phone device or fixing an IC. I'll be coming back to the other one. Then we also have the soldering lead, which is used for leading your device components and every other thing in which you want to do on your mobile phone. Then let's come to this particular one, which is battery chip active panel. This battery chip active panel is actually used for kickstarting or boosting your mobile phone batteries externally. It's not like your phone charger, but with this one you can just remove the battery and connect it to this device, and it will boost your battery automatically. And there are certain things I really like about this device is that I was using one particular one, but actually for that one you use the Android charging system, but this particular one is Type-C, which means it's very good. So let's look how this device look at the inside. So for this device I was able to get it for 15,000 naira. If you are buying this device in Ghana, you will be getting it like 200 cedis. For this particular device, you can see it uses Type-C, and it also has a USB external connector where you can be able to use it, connect to other devices that maybe you can't remove the battery. You can just connect it and be able to also charge your mobile phone. So this device is very good for phone repairs. Everyone actually needs this device. You can see this battery chip active panel. This is how the device looks like. It's even better than the one I was actually using. I really love this device, and it has so many connecting parts for all kinds of mobile device, for Techno, iPhone, Samsung, Vivo, any kind of phone which you think of. So it has all the connecting ports of every kind of mobile phone. So please like this video if you are getting value from it. And we also have this particular iPhone down screwdriver, which is actually very good. I bought this particular single one because I needed a different kind of screwdriver. The one I've used I've worn out, so I needed something different. So you can see the packaging. This is how it actually looks like. I like the design, and what I don't know is if this device is actually very durable, but as time goes on we'll get to know much about how I've been able to use this device in fixing all kinds of mobile phones. Then the next on the list is, first let's close this particular one back to the way we bought it. So these are everything I actually bought at the biggest market in Lagos where they sell all kinds of electronics, and it's left for me to talk about the screwdriver which I skipped at first, so I'll be talking about it. So these are everything. So now let's come to these screwdriver. Even before the screwdriver, I also bought one extra device, but I'll be showing that one at the end of this video, so stick to the end so you get to see what I bought. And what I actually bought is very useful for everyone fixing the iPhone glass. So let's come to this screwdriver. So one thing I really like about this screwdriver is that these screwdrivers are very long. The one I was using was very short, whereby when you want to lose a particular thing from a speaker or a mobile phone or any kind of electronic device, it can't be able to go inside to be able to get to the screws and be able to lose it. But this particular one is very long and is made up of plastic, and it is very simple to use. The way I'm looking at this screwdriver is very strong, so unlike some of those ones that are very light that can easily break, but this one is very long and is very strong, even though the head is made up of plastics, but it's very good. So these are every screws that are inside is made up of 10 different screwdrivers for losing different or all kinds of mobile phone. So these are everything which I bought. Then the LED, this particular LED is the tiny one. It has different sizes, but this one is tiny, and this tiny one is very good for phone repairers. So these are the receipt of everything I bought, and everything on this list is 28,100, and everything amount in dollars is $19. Now let's talk about the last tools in which I actually got for phone repairs, which is this glass blaster. I've been looking for this particular device tools for so long in Ghana, but I'm unable to get it. So what this tool does is that it is used for breaking iPhone back glass. I've been looking for this device long ago, but I was able to get it in Nigeria at the biggest market in Lagos State, that's Alaba International. So this device is used for punching back glass, so you can replace with another one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more.